hydrogen is multiplying with 2, at the same time Cl is automatically multiplied by 2 because these two will be placed at before of HCl. Okay, not in suffix. Okay, it will be before of HCl, like here. Clear? Then it will be automatically multiplied with all the atoms of that molecule. If any number will be placed here, that means all the atoms of that molecule will be multiplied by that number. So when we are multiplying hydrogen with 2, then hydrogen will be multiplied with 2, Cl will also multiplied with 2. But we will write only single 2 here. So balanced equation is Zn, 2 will be placed here, so 2 hydrogen and 2 Cl. And look at here, here is also is balanced ZnCl2 plus H2. Okay, clear? Any doubt in any step?
No, sir.
Then write it. This is the process by which you have to balance all the chemical equations. Write it quickly and knock me. Done?
Yes, sir.
Then knock me. I always told it. Okay, look at here.
Now only
Yes, repeat please.
sir, I was telling that now only I finished copying.
Oh, okay, okay. Others also completed to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at here. This is balanced chemical equation. The number of atoms on the reactant side and number of atoms on the product side is equal. If we will calculate that mass, total mass of elements and total mass of reactant, it will be again same. But there is a limitation of chemical equation. Like from here, we cannot say that gene is present in which state. Gene is taken in liquid, solid, or gaseous. We cannot say that because it is not mentioned here. Okay. We cannot say that what is the time taken in this reaction. What will be the time taken to complete the reaction? It will be completed in 1 minute or in 1 day. We can't say. This reaction is will happen or not. We cannot say that. There is so many examples of balanced chemical equation which will never happen. Okay, which will never happen. So we cannot say that. The concentration of reactants and products, we cannot say that. Okay, heat exchange. Is there any heat exchange during this reaction? Is not mentioned here. So these are the limitation of the chemical equation, though it is balanced. Okay, right? Do heading limitations of chemical equation. quickly. First, okay, do heading limitations of chemical equation. Lito, it does not inform about first point, physical states of the reactants and product. It does not inform about colon first point, the physical states of the reactants and products. Second point, the concentration of reactants and product. Third point, time taken for the completion of the reaction. Time taken for the completion of the reaction. Fourth, the rate 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 at which a reaction proceeds. Rate at which reaction proceeds. Fifth, next point, heat changes during the reaction. Heat changes during the reaction. Next point, the condition such as temperature, pressure, catalyst which affect the reaction. The condition such as temperature, pressure, catalyst. The condition such as temperature, pressure, catalyst which affect the reaction. किसी का कोई पॉइंट छूटा है? Anyone have missed any point? Hello?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So look at here. These are the limitations that we cannot say physical state, we cannot say time taken, we cannot say the concentration, the condition, in which condition it will happen. So we have to mention all of this information to make a chemical equation more informative. Okay. So do next heading. How can a chemical equation be more informative? How can a chemical equation be made more informative? How can a chemical equation be made more informative? How can a chemical equation be made more informative? Okay. First point, under it, first point, the physical state of the reactants and products can be indicated. The physical state of the reactants and products, the physical state of the reactants and products can be indicated by putting like this, by putting like this, S in parenthesis, okay, S for solid, L for liquid, G for gaseous, AQ for aqueous. By putting S for solid, L for liquid, G for gaseous, AQ for aqueous state beside the symbols the physical state of the reactants and products can be indicated by putting S for solid, L for liquid, G for gaseous, AQ for aqueous. Done? Aqueous. Beside the symbols of the reactants and product. Beside the symbol of the reactants and products. Beside the symbols of the reactants and products. Okay. Next point. I will give examples at last. Firstly, at first, noted all the points. Done. First point completed to all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next point. Next point. Evolution or absorption. Evolution or absorption of heat. Evolution or absorption of heat during the reaction can be denoted by adding or subtracting a heat term on the product side. Evolution or absorption of heat during the reaction can be denoted by adding or subtracting a heat term on the product side. Okay. Third point. Temperature, pressure, and catalyst. Temperature, pressure, and catalyst can be indicated above the arrow. Temperature, pressure, and catalyst can be indicated over the arrow, above the arrow. Done. Temperature, pressure, and catalyst can be indicated above the arrow. Done. Hello. Hello. Completed.
Sir, done.
Next point. Concentration
Sir,
of
sir,
yes.
we have class from 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I know. It will just 2 minutes more. Now 7 minutes have left. Just 2 minutes. Next point, right? Concentration of reactants and products. Concentration of reactants and products. Concentration of reactants and products are indicated by DIL for dilute and concentration CONC. Okay, CONC concentration. Concentration of reactants and products are indicated by DIL for dilute and CONC for concentrated. And last point, arrow represents irreversible reaction, whereas this arrow represents reversible reaction. Okay. Now look at here examples. Suppose jeans. The example was, so here we have to put solid. S means it is solid, plus HCl. Hydrogen chloride was in HU. HU means aqueous state. This means irreversible. It forms ZnCl2, that is S means solid. This means precipitation. Okay, means any substances depositing here. Okay, plus hydrogen which is in gaseous state, this is upward, means any substances evolving out. Okay, any substances is evolving out. So these are the information. Now look at here another example. Suppose N2 gaseous plus 3H2 gaseous. This is reversible. Now catalyst, iron catalyst is placed here. Okay. Molybdenum is promoter for this reaction. Temperature is mentioned here 400 to 500 degrees Celsius and 200 to 500 atmospheric pressure. These are the informations, conditions. It forms 2 ammonia, that is gaseous state, plus heat. So plus heat means heat is evolving here. Okay.
Sir, what you written 2N after that?
2NH3.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
सर
Heat.
आपका फोटो छोटा दिख रहा है, मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा है क्या लिखा हुआ है।
फोटो छोटा कैसे दिख रहा है बेटा?
सर लिखा है योर नेटवर्क बैंडविड्थ इज स्लो।
अब
सर
उसमें
आपका
क्या
नेटवर्क के बगल में रेड रेड लाइन भी है।
जिसका क्लियर दिख रहा है नोट डाउन करके ग्रुप में भेज देना। हीट का सिंबल याद रखना, इट विल बी डेल्टा। Okay, if plus heat on product side means heat is evolving, if minus heat on product side means heat is absorbing. Okay, upward arrow indicates a gas is evolved and downward arrow indicates a precipitate or insoluble salt is formed. This chapter is completed. Now you have to balance all the equations which are present in your exercise. Okay, this will be your homework. In next class I will start chemical reaction.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can we leave the meeting?
Oh, so done. Cyan and Aditya done. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, done. Sir,
Okay.
sir
Have
we can leave.
you any doubt? Yes,
No,
you
sir, we
can
can
leave.
leave.
Okay, you can leave.